Hey, my parents are going. Give me that. Jeff, I'm recording myself. So we're about to like do something, and I'm gonna ride the sled.
Here you are at the Foster Super Track. So Grace is about to set the world record on the sled. Good? And here we go. You ready, girl? You gonna set a world record? Here we go. Go! Woo! Nice! Good job. 2, 3. She got a little bump off that hill. She got a little air.
So I'm gonna go sledding. I'm on YouTube, so I'm not so big on YouTube. And hope I have some fun. And I'm just climbing at the steep hill. I'm not gonna see my friends today, so I'm gonna have fun. And I'm gonna record myself while I'm sledding. But I'm just special, you know? So I don't think that I'm gonna make it. My friend's house. I stole their yard.
Help. Snowboarder. Sarah Grace. All right. This is gonna be it. This is when we're gonna go out with a bang on this one, okay? All right, turn yourself around. Get straight. You ready? Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. All right. 1, 2, 3, go! Woohoo! Nice. She's still going. Still going. Watch out for that tree. That was awesome. See ya. Go. Her. Ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, go!
I'm just gonna film myself. Somebody's gonna shoot me, and I'm gonna slide down backwards again, which really scared me. But go on SarahGraceAsireBuster.com and come with me.
So Sarah Grace! You slid in there sideways. We got it. It's for the YouTube. It's for the YouTube. Get ready, get set, go! Oh, she's going backwards. No, no. She did it 180.
I'm just got up the hill. I did it backwards. I was like that on the sled that I have, and now I'm gonna walk. Last time I slide, and it kind of scared me, and there was a lot of snow.
We're just rock and roll.
Woo!
Cowabunga, dude!
So you guys, I'm gonna do stuff, and that's the way for me. And I'm gonna do this, and then I'm gonna come back, and then now he almost hit a tree.
And
Bye, guys.
that was awesome.